to another video with legit Colleen. So today I'll be showing you guys how to stack widgets or pictures using Widgetsmith, since some people are asking in the comment. So first you want to make sure you go to Pinterest and have all your pictures. So go to Pinterest and save some pictures of your aesthetic color or your theme, or you could just use Google and just search up the pictures. Then you want to go into your photos, and once you go into photos, you want to get these 3 pictures, select them, and instead of selecting all of them like I did in my previous video, you're just gonna do one at a time. So I'm just gonna pick this pink eye. Next one I'm gonna name, my fault. I'm gonna name it Be Kind, and the last one I am going to name Money Bed. I don't know. So I just want to do this so I can identify the pictures, because you're gonna need to know which picture, so it's easier for you to figure it out. So then you want to go to Widgetsmith. Then this is the front page, and I'm going to do 2 smaller widgets. So make sure you click on the widget, default widget, scroll all the way down, click photo and album, selected album. Now I'm going to look for pink eye, not necessarily, but yeah. So I have that one there, save it. And what you're going to do is make sure you name it here too. Now I'm going to go to my second one and do the same exact thing, but this time I'm going to be choosing the album with my other picture. Then naming it again. I'm going to add one more and repeat the same process. And name it again. You just do this how many times based on how many pictures you want. So now I have all 3 of my widgets here. So now I'm gonna go to my home screen, and I'm gonna try and do this on another screen. So I'm gonna hold your home screen, click plus sign in the top right corner. Yours might be on the left side, so make sure you look out for that. Then you're gonna scroll all the way down to Widgetsmith, add a small widget, click the one that is the size you made in Widgetsmith, don't pick another one. So now we're gonna do another widget, same exact thing, and since I did 3 pictures, I'm gonna do it one more time. So there, we have our 3 widgets. So now you're gonna click on any one of the widgets, and it will bring up different ones. This one says Money Bed, so I clicked on it, and now I have all my 3 choices right there, right? Make this one Be Kind, and I'm gonna change this one and make it Glitter Eye. And that's basically how you do it. And now instead of just leaving it like this, maybe I'm gonna stack them. So you just put one on top of the other and the other one on top of the other, and that's basically it. And now at random times or by itself, it's going to change the picture. Since it's on smart rotate, that means it's gonna do it itself. So be sure to click out after. So now it's done, and I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Don't forget to watch my other tutorials, which are gonna be so very helpful to you, because they are really good to help you learn how to customize your phone and have it looking so cute at no cost to you. So make sure you check them out right here. I have 4 videos up in a playlist, which will be linked in the bio. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and comment, and I'll see you guys in my next video. If you need any help, just comment. I respond to all my comments. And don't forget to turn off the post notifications so that when I post, you get a notification. Okay, love you all. Bye.